Insert 3-second hook here. Pay attention, motherfucker. If you've ever made a Mississippi roast, or you've ever wanted to pickle brine some chicken, stay tuned. I have an idea. Mixing those two things. So let's get into it. Get your chicken. Get you a bowl. Get you a whisk. And then, cameraman, come on down. Let's put together a very simple brine. Need a bag too. Very simple brine inspired by Mississippi roast recipe. So first things first, Mississippi roast, if you don't know, ting, has pepperoncinis in it. Pepperoncinis, how do you say it? Comment below. Put your best enunciation. So anyways, I got about a half a jar of juice. I'm just going to dump the juice in a bowl. This is going to be our brine. Mississippi roast is very simple. If you know, you know. I'm only going to use a couple of the ingredients, so this is going to be a 3-ingredient brine. I got ranch. I'm going to use about half of this. I'm going to use a little bit later when we grill it. So just like that. Or maybe not quite half yet. Set that aside. A little pepper. Or a lot of pepper, because I like it. Let's whisk that up. This is pretty simple. Beautiful weekend here in the Midwest. Summer is upon us. Well, I think it's still technically spring. So we're going to grill out and drink some beers and remember to live. Give that a good mix. Got my chicken thighs. These are from Aldi. Don't sleep on Aldi, people. I used to. Best prices I can find. And as far as meat goes, I've been really impressed. Open that up. And I'm not doing anything special with these. I'm just dropping them in the bag. Just keep it simple, baby. All right. Comment below what state you're from. And comment below where I'm from. If you know, that's cheating, but guess. I've been told I have a distinct accent in certain parts of the United States. Dump that in there. Gonna wash my hands quick because there's a very important ingredient to this recipe, and I don't want chicken all over it. All right. So then, all you're gonna do, cinch her up real good. Get all the chicken coated. You don't have to be drenched in them for a good marinade. I know some people literally drench them. What I do, just get it incorporated. Take all your air out, like so. As good as you can without spilling it. Just set it in your fridge like this. So we're going to do about 3 hours on this one, and then just flip it every hour, maybe just halfway. It'll work perfect. And now for the secret ingredient that's really going to take this to the next level. While we wait for our marinade, we are going to sit outside and drink beer. Cheers! I love gold!
Bruh, 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 bruh.
Wish you could smell this. Ooh! Welcome to Tank's Backyard Bar and Grill. I don't have my microphone, but we're gonna send it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Had fun making it. Love sharing recipes and drinking cold beer, grilling. Let's give it a test. Tank's down here. We'll let him try it first. Those little nuggets you saw, those are for him. So, there we go. By the way, when that smoke was rolling out of the grill, it smelled so good. Obviously, you can't smell it, but just imagine. I already know this is going to be good. I actually never tried it, but this is awesome on the Mississippi roast, so it's going to be great. So here we go. Tank first, and I'll try it. Like, subscribe, and remember to live and fuck the man. Buddy. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Yeah. This is amazing. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Double thumbs up. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Testing. Insert 3-second hook here. Pay attention, motherfucker. Now that I got your attention. Is that how that works? I don't know. I'm not a YouTube guru. So let's put this on here. See how that sounds? Pull this up. Peekaboo, motherfucker! Does that look crooked? Well, if it's crooked, she's crooked. Thinks this is a tug toy.